Alright, hello friends and students. In this video what I'm going to show you is a continuation from the collectors. We had just done Allan Ackerman's card case collectors, or your favorite version of collectors. There's many good collectors. Another good one is by Joshua J. has a good one. These of course would be signed cards, right? So you just took that out of the box, and then what you do is you show the box empty. You can hand this out. And then what you do is you place the sandwich back inside the box. Okay, and then you say you can hear that. Hold it up to their ear. They can hear that in there. Okay. Then you come over and you show 4 kings. Let them examine them front and back. You show there's only 4 cards. Okay, 4 kings. And then what you do at this point is you say, we're going to use these guys to collect the 3 selections, and these would be signed, and of course you make those appear like that. It's very reminiscent of a Larry Jennings Visitors kind of plot. You can see that's where the inspiration has obviously come from. You show, so right on in between the 4 kings have gathered the 2, 3, and 4, which would be the signed cards, right? Now you snap and you say, look, we're going to throw them back from in between the kings. They're going to vanish like that very visually, and you show cleanly that they're gone. You show the top and bottom cards of the deck to show that there's nothing there, and then you remember over here you can hear inside the box something here. Okay? And what you would do at this point is you would bring out the sandwich here, okay, the aces, and you remember earlier we placed 3 cards in the box, and those would be the same signed selections. So this is very, very strong. This is my mentor Allan Ackerman. I'm not going to explain the tutorial in this one, but I am going to recommend his book Las Vegas Cardma if you'd like to learn this beautiful effect. Thank you very much. Have a magical day.